Today we are going to study about three variable K-map. There are 8 mean terms for the 3 binary variables. Therefore, map consists of 8 squares. Now we will see this diagrammatically how it is drawn. First, as it is a 3 variable, you have to draw it in a pattern of 3 variable. Draw the straight line like this, then draw this boxes accordingly, and here again 2 boxes. Here you will be having A, that is your MSB term. Here you will be having B and C. Okay, so while writing truth table, how we are writing it on the input side, that is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Likewise, the second step will be 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0, and the last one is 1 1 1. Okay, so here you can see that here you are having alternate 0 1, then 1 1, again you are having it as 1 0. Okay, you cannot write this 1 0 at this 1 1 place, because in K map only 1 bit change of variable is allowed. If you keep 1 0 over here, from this bit 1 bit is changing, again the next bit is also changing. Okay, therefore always while writing this you have to write it in this pattern 0 0 0 1 1 1 and then 1 0, like this. Now we will write it in a decimal form. So 0 0 will be 0, you have to write it in the bracket 0, then 0 0 1 is 1, 0 1 0 is 2, and 0 1 1 is 3. Likewise, 1 0 0 is 4, 1 0 1 is 5, 1 1 0 is 6, and 1 1 1 is 7. This part which I have written is not a compulsory part of your K map. Okay, this is for your understanding, or you can write it down. Now if you want to write this in each and every term, how we can write it down? This will become as A bar, B bar, C bar. This will be your again A bar, B bar, C. This will be A bar, B, C. This will be in A bar, B, C bar. Okay, the last one will be your A, B, C double bar, A, B bar, C. Next will be A, B, C. Next will be A, B, C bar. Okay, so this is the values which we can consider in case of 3 variable K map. Now we will have one of the example to get more clear idea about how we are writing, how we are drawing K map. Okay, simplify Boolean function. The function is given as f of x, y, z. X, y, z are the variables which are used over here in this problem. Summation of m. Summation of m means that these are your mean terms. Mean terms means SOP format. 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the problem which is given. So you have to write the solution for this one. So you have to write solution now. In case of solution, what you have to write? You have to again draw the K map. So you have to draw the K map in this case. What are the inputs? We are having the input as x, y, z. X is your maximum term or the